Hi everyone, welcome to Roll Your Mat. Today I'm going to share about Trikonasana triangle pose. We are forming various triangles with our body parts, arms, legs and torso. Sitting on chair with bent knee leaves us with tight hamstrings. Through consistent practice of Trikonasana, you will gain flexibility on your hamstrings as well as your inner thighs. If you want to hold longer in Trikonasana, you need a strong core, so this pose can also train up your abdominal and back muscles. Trikonasana gives us grounding feeling while opening our heart at the same time. Stability experience in this physical body invites calmness of mind, provides you with laser-focused concentration and welcome new perspectives in your life. Now, let's go to our practice. Face the long side of mat, hands on hip. Open your leg wide about 2 to 3 hip width apart. Turn your right foot outward 90 degrees. Like I showed in the previous video on Warrior 2, if you are new to this pose or have any hip issue, choose a shorter stance just to ensure you have the stability and strength first, then work on the flexibility. Straighten your front knee. Start with your hip. Notice your hip. Roll the inner thigh of your back foot forward. Press all corners of your feet onto the mat. Lift up both hands parallel to the mat. Imagine 2 strings with equal width pulling your hands away from you. You should feel yourself standing steadily on the mat. If not, shorten the stance or turn your back foot slightly inward. Keep your spine long. Reaching your front arm forward. Place your palm on your shin or on the mat if it's available for you. Turning your left shoulder backward so that your chest is opening up to the front. If your neck allows, look toward the top arm. Take 2 long deep breaths here. Inhale, turn your head to face forward, engage your quads and lift your upper torso up. Repeat on the opposite side. Turn your right foot in, left foot out. Reach your left hand forward. Place your left palm on your shin or on your mat, or whatever height that is available for you. Look towards your top arm if your neck is okay. Open your chest. Take 2 long deep breaths here. Inhale, engage your quads and lift yourself up to standing. Option 1. Supported Trikonasana with block. If you find yourself dumping weight of front leg or rounding your back in order to land your front hand on the mat, you are welcome to place your palm on the block at the outside of your front foot. Feel a better energy flow through your spine, through your legs, and through your arms. Repeat on the opposite side. Your block is always by your side to support you throughout your yoga practice. In this way, the spine is lengthened and I can feel a good stretch along the side of my body. Option 2. Trikonasana with bottom hand lifted. If you can hold Trikonasana for a few deep breaths, Try this option to help you find the engagement of your core during a triangle pose. Right leg at the front. Go to Trikonasana slowly. Place your bottom arm on the block. Press your feet firmly on the mat. Engage your quads. Exhale, feel your belly firm. Lift up your bottom hand and place on your belly. Take 2 full breaths here. Feel the core is engaged. Inhale, lift your upper torso up and switch to the other side. Now, try with a right foot in, left foot out. Reach your left arm forward and place on the block. Inhale, and as you exhale, feel your belly draw in and firm. Lift your bottom arm and touch your belly. Take 2 deep breaths here. With the core engaged, weight is distributed more evenly throughout your body. You can hold Trikonasana for a longer time and enjoy the benefit of this pose. Inhale, lift your upper torso up. That's it! Triangle pose may look different for each one of you, or you may have different experiences on different days within yourself. Whatever triangle you are forming today, that's the best version from you now. Just roll out your mat and enjoy the practice brought to you by your body, to your mind and soul today. Namaste. May all be well, healthy and safe